Today we will do exercise 3.3 question number 2. Okay, first step I will take LHS. How to prove this? Let us see. First step we will take LHS 2. Pi, wherever pi is there, we will use 180. Cosecant square 7 into 180 upon 6. Cos square 180 upon 3. So after doing simplify, I will get 30. Here 30, this is 30 and this is 7. 210. This is cos square 60. Now I will use the values. This you have direct value, this you are having direct value, but here you are not having direct value. So I will use allied angle. How to find allied angle? I already told you. I will tell you how to find allied angle. See, cosecant square 210. Already we discussed in second exercise detailing. Cosecant square, you can write either 180 plus 30, otherwise 270 minus 60. 210 you have to get. So 180 plus 30. I will get 210. Now, cosecant square, first step I told that in 3 steps. Okay, first, second, third, fourth. And I told how to find allied angle in 3 steps. First, you have to identify the quadrant. Which quadrant it is? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, all silver teacups. Tan is positive. Okay. So, tan only is positive. Here, cosecant is there, so negative. Then, whenever it goes in 180, we will not change it. Whether it comes in 90 to 70, we will change cosecant into secant. So it is 180, so we will not change it. 30. Then minus cosecant 30 value minus 2. Sorry, you don't take square here, okay? Only you take the cosecant 210. Then you will apply here and square it. Next, I will use it here. This value is half. This value is minus 2 whole square. This is also half. So this will cut 2 square will cut. I will get plus 1. Here 1 to get means half. Simplify, I will get 3 upon 2. That is equal to RHS. Okay, same like this you can try question number 3, 4 and 1. Okay, wherever like this allied angle is coming, pi value you put 180. Then solve allied angles you do by the second exercise and solve, you will get the answer. I am doing every different models. Okay, next question number 5. In question number 5, you have to find the value of sine 75. How to find the value of sine 75? Let us see. Sine 75 I can write 45 plus 30. Direct values we are not having. Sine 75 I can write sine 45 plus 30. If I do with allied angles also, I will get 90 minus 15. There also we are not having value. That's why we are having no option to do like this. Sine 45 plus 30. Okay, so we are having identity. I already proved you sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So I will take in the x place 45 and y place 30. Okay, then I will apply here sin 45 plus 30, x place 45, y place 30. Here also sin x place 45, y place 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. Just use the value here. What? Sin 75. We are finding what is the value of sin 75 by this identity. This is 1 upon root 2. This is root 3 upon 2. This is 1 upon root 2. This is 1 upon 2. So I will get root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 That gives us root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. If you want, you can do rationalize, otherwise you can leave as it is. Okay, just 75 means we are writing in 45 plus 30. Next question, tan 15. You can write 45 minus 30 and you can use tan A minus B formula there. Okay, next I am doing question number 6. Cos pi by 4 minus 6, cos pi by 4 minus 5, minus sin pi by 4 minus 6, sin pi by 4 minus 5 equal to sin x plus 5. Okay, how to do? First, if you take this LHS, cos pi by 4 minus 6, cos pi by 4 minus 5, minus sin pi by 4 minus 6, sin pi by 4 minus 5. Okay, how to do this? Let us see. If you see, this is pi by 4 minus x, pi by 4 minus 5, pi by 4 minus x, pi by 4 minus 5. So, I can take it. A is pi by 4 minus x. You have to observe the question. Y is, sorry, B, A means B, na? B is pi by 4 minus y. So, wherever pi by 4 minus 6, I will write A. Wherever pi by 4 minus y, I will write it B. So, cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Okay, cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. We are having identity. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B is what? What is the identity we are having? Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. We proved that first identity you are having, that is cos A plus B. That is cos A plus B. Okay, so equal to cos A plus B. Cos A plus B. So what is cos A? What is A here? Pi by 4 minus x plus what is B here? Pi by 4 minus y. So if you simplify, pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4 minus x plus y. So cos, if you cut it, pi by 2 minus x plus y. We have to prove sin x plus y. We know cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin, what is theta here? X plus y. Proved. Equal to RHS. We proved the answer. Just observe. Pi by 4 minus 6, pi by 4 minus 5, pi by 4 minus 6, pi by 4 minus 5. So A, B written. According to that, what is the identity we have to prove? This exercise fully we have to use the identity. That's why every identity I proved you. How to get the identity. You have to remember all the identities because this each and every identity will be used this year and next year it is using more. Okay. Same model you can try other questions. I'll do now 8th question. Cos pi plus x cos minus x upon sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x. How to do this? See, cos 180 plus x. We already studied what is cos 180 plus x minus cos x. If you don't know, this is directly in the page number 66 identity. If you're not knowing this, if you're not, you want to remember how to do, I will tell you. 180, this is 0 to 90, this is 90 to 180, and this is 180 to 270, this is 270 plus 360. 180 plus in third quadrant. In third quadrant, definitely cos is negative, so minus cos x. And you know cos minus x, I already told you when cos negative is coming, cot will eat that. Okay, so it will become cos positive. You will tell, madam, this negative also will go. No, inside in the angle, if cos minus x come, cos x. This is according to the quadrant it is coming, so it will not go. Upon sin 180 minus x. Sin 180 minus x, 180 minus x will be lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, if you see, sin is positive. In second quadrant, sign is positive. So we will get sin x like this. If you don't need to memorize that 55, 65 and 66 page, you can remember like this. Cos 190 plus x. Cos 90 plus x means second quadrant. In second quadrant, all are positive. In second quadrant, sign is positive. Not all are positive, sign is positive. If sign is positive, this is cos. So you will get 90 means it will change. 90 means cos will change into sine. But changing time, we will see quadrant this only. Okay, every time quadrant we will see this. So it will come sine x. So it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So I will get negative. So according to this, I will get the answer. Minus minus, cut it. Cos square x upon sine square x gives you cot square x, proved. Got it? Once if you know the in basic and introduction, everything proving is so simple. How to prove this question? Here if you see this pi by 4 minus x, so I can write this is a. Okay, cos a minus cos b, LHS. So a I taken 3 upon 4 plus x, b I taken 3 upon 4 minus x. And you are having identity cos a minus cos b, identity number 21 or 21 or 20 I think. Cos a minus cos b, you are having identity minus 2 sine a plus b upon 2. In book x will be there, no problem, you can do whatever you want. Okay, I proved this all identity how it is coming. Now here if you take minus 2 sine, what is a? This totally I taken as a, this totally I taken as b. If you want you can write this side a equal to 3 pi by 4 plus x, b equal to 3 pi by 4 minus x. So in the place of a you use 3 pi by 4 plus x, in the place of b 3 pi by 4 minus x upon 2. Okay, next sine 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x. So we will get upon 2. Don't cut this 2 and this 2. It is a function inside. Minus 2 because it is the angle of sine. So we will not cut that. So cut here you can do simplify. Plus x minus x. 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, 6 pi by 4. Okay. 6 pi by 4. That will give you again cut 3 pi by 2 upon 2. Sine I left sine. Okay. Now here sine same. This 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 will cut. 2x upon 4 will come. That will give you x upon 2 upon 2. See, normal I am simplification as per 11th class. I think you know. That's why I am doing here. 3 pi by 4 plus minus will cut plus x. This minus will go inside plus x. 2x upon 4. 2x upon 4 cut x upon 2 upon 2. This 2 is here. This 2 is here. All the thing top you are substituting. Then minus 2 sine. When this 2 will go, it will multiply in the denominator. Sine 3 pi by 4 sine x upon 4. Okay. We got it like this. I made one mistake I think. 3 pi by x plus x, 2x, correct only. 2x upon 4. You see here 2x upon 2 will be there now. So I will get here x. So I will get here x upon 2. See here this part only I am doing, writing here sine. This will cut x plus x, 2x upon 2. Because here this 4 comes, so I remember this also. No, sine 2x upon 2, 2 will cut. So I'll get x this, so I'll get sine x upon 2. Okay, just correct it. If you do calculation, you can easily able to find out. Okay. This 2 will not come. This 2 will not. This 2 only written here. So only sine x. Okay. Then you just simplify and find out. This x is x, 2x, this 2 is here. This 2 is here, 2x upon 2. 2 will cut, sine x only will be there. This is not there. Clear? Okay. Now just calculation mistake. Minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4. How we can write 3 pi by 4? Just 180. I told this one model you find, follow it. 180 upon 4 is what? 180 upon 4, 45. Correct. So minus 2 sine 3 into 45 sine x. So 3 into 45 is what? 135. Sine 135 sine x. Now you take separately sine 135 value you find and put it here. Sine 135 can write sine 90 plus 45, or 180 also, with 180 also you can write. Sine 90 plus 45 if I write, sine 90 plus 45 lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive. So it will come positive. And whenever 90 will come, it will change it. It will change into cos. Yes, sine will come, it will change into cos 45. So we will get cos 45. Okay, in second quadrant, sine is positive. So plus sine 90 comes, whenever 90 to 70 comes, it will change. Sine will change into cos. Then 45. So I got 45 is 1 upon. So you use here minus 2 into 1 upon root 2 sin x. When you cut it into 2 root 2 are there, 1 root 2 gone, you will get minus root 2 sin x. Proved. I will repeat again, one mistake I done. You just see 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 cut x plus, this minus goes, x plus x, 2x upon 2. This 2 is not there. Okay, upon this 2 upon 2. Then 2 will get sin x. Just to take care of that, that's all. Okay, like this you can try many questions. Other questions you can try, and from 14th I will do some more question in the next part. Thank you.